Hello everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan, where we dive into the world of digital tracking and data analytics. Today's video is all about setting up TikTok Pixel Conversion API with GA4 server-side tracking. If you are running TikTok ads and want more accurate data and better insight, you are in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up TikTok Conversion API, integrate it with Google Analytics 4, and implement server-side tracking for optimal results. Before we jump into their setup, let's understand why TikTok Pixel Conversion API is important. Traditionally, TikTok Pixel tracks user actions on your site like purchase, add to cart, checkout, sign up. With the Conversion API, we can send data directly from your server to TikTok, which enhance accuracy, especially useful with data privacy changes like ISO 14 updates. So why integrate it with GA4 server-side tracking? This method ensures data accuracy by minimizing data loss and provide a cross-domain platform inside your business. Browser-side tracking use the TikTok Pixel to collect data directly from your user's browser, but it often blocked by privacy settings, ad blocker, or ISO 14 restrictions. Server-side tracking, on the other hand, send data directly from your server to TikTok. This ensures accurate data collection with browser interaction. Server-side tracking is far more reliable and support privacy compliance like GDPR. By giving you control over the data you send, browser tracking can miss key event, leading to complete analytics. Requirement for TikTok Pixel browser and server-side tracking: need a website, TikTok Pixel IDs, server custom domain setup, Google Tag Manager web container, Google Tag Manager server container. Hey there. Before we dive into settings up TikTok Pixel Conversion API with GA4 server-side tracking for your business, let me ask, have you subscribed to this channel? I share step-by-step guide on TikTok ads, server-side tracking, and analytics. Subscribing ensure you never miss a tip to improve your ad performance and grow your business. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you always ahead with the latest strategy in tracking and marketing. Trust me, I will save you time and maximize your result. Now that's we are subscribed. Let's get started with settings up TikTok Pixel Conversion API with GA4 server-side tracking for accurate data and better ad performance. Let's dive in. This is my demo website. I want to set up TikTok Pixel Conversion API and GA4 server-side tracking. So firstly, you need to connect Google Tag Manager with this website. So go to your Google Tag Manager. I already created a Google Tag Manager web container and a server container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. Click here. Firstly, I need to connect Google Tag Manager with our website. So copy this code. This is our GTM code. Copy this code and go back to your website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. So firstly need to click plugins, then click add a new plugin. I need a plugin for connect our website with Google Tag Manager. So search here GTM4WP. This is the plugin GTM4WP, a Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. Firstly need to click install now, then click active. Our website activated. So click here settings. Then paste your Google Tag Manager GTM ID. So I paste here, then click save. If you see that our container code turn off, I need to click turn on, then again click save changes. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then click preview button. Then paste your website URL. This is my website URL, then click connect. Then you need to click here Google Tag Assistant Legacy by Google, then click done. Then click enable, then again reload this page, then again click here, then click allow now. If you see that our Google Tag Manager connected with our website, then if you go back to your Google Tag Manager Tag Assistant, you will see that window loaded, DOM ready, container loaded, installation, constant installation message already, data is here. So our Google Tag Manager connected with our website. If I click any product here, don't show any data for this product. So I need to enable website data layer, then go back again, go your website, then find out plugin, then click install plugin. Then find out GTM4WP, then click settings, then again click integrations, then find out WooCommerce, then click track e-commerce, I need to enable website data layer. Then again click cart content in data layer, then order data in data layer, then customer data layer in data layer. Enable this, add all customer data, billing, shipping data, total number of order value into the data layer WooCommerce CX required. So click save changes. Then go back again your tag manager, then again click on preview button. Then go to your website, then click any product. Then go back to your tag assistant. If you click view item and again click data layer, you will see that your product all of details here. So our website data layer is enabled. I need to connect our website with TikTok pixel ID. So click new, then again click here, then find out custom HTML. I need a base code for TikTok, so go back to your TikTok ads event manager, then click continue setup, then again click install base code, then copy this code, then go back to your Google tag manager, then paste this code here. This is our TikTok pixel base code. Then I need to triggering all pages, then give a name for this tag. This tag name is TikTok pixel base code, then click save. Now I need to click preview button. Our tag setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it. Then again go to your website. If you see that our TikTok base code tag already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay, then click a new tab, then search on TikTok pixel helper. I need to active TikTok pixel helper extension, then click here, then click pin, then go back to your website, then reload again. If you click this extension, we will see that our TikTok pixel ID is here, so our TikTok base code setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up some event. Now I need to set up TikTok view content event for TikTok browser side tracking. So click new, then find out TikTok pixel tag template. Here is nothing TikTok pixel template. Then again click discover more tag types in community template gallery. Then search here TikTok. If you see that TikTok pixel by TikTok, then click here, then again click add to workspace, then again click add. Our TikTok pixel already added our Google tag manager workspace. I need a pixel ID, so again go back to your event manager, then click next, then again click next, then again click next, then again click here, then again click next, then copy this code. This is the pixel ID. Copy this pixel ID. I need this pixel ID many times for add to cart event, purchase event, initiate checkout event. So I will create a constant variable for TikTok pixel ID. So find out constant, then paste here TikTok pixel ID, then give a name for this variable TikTok pixel ID, then click save. Now I need to select event name. I want to set up view content, so I need to select view content, then again click event parameter. If you see that hashed email, hashed phone number are not showing view items event, so I need to send this event. So if I go back again our website, then click any product. I already click this product, then go back to tech assistant, then click again view items, then again click here API call. I need to see currency variables. So firstly need to pick e-commerce, then currency. So firstly need e-commerce. I need to create currency variable. So again click plus signs, then again click here, then find out data layers variable, then paste here e-commerce, then dot, because this is the object. After object index, this is the object. After object indexed start from 0. So I already give dot, then paste currency. So give a variable's name TLB currency, then click save. Our currency variable create done. I need to set up deduplication configurations. If you use both TikTok pixel template and event ID template, send event, you can set up event ID to deduplicate to source. So click here, then again click plus signs, then find out, I need to find out event ID. So again click here, this for more variables, type in the community template gallery, then search here event. This is the event ID. I need to click add to workspace, again click add, then close this, then again click plus signs, then find out event ID, then click save. Our event ID variable create done. Additional parameter, you may configure and send more custom parameters. TikTok unlock additional ad feature targeted at specific articles. So click add row, then type here content type, content underscore type, then need a value. Our website content type is product, so you here, then click add, then again click add row, then here is content ID. So I need to create a variables for content ID. So again click plus signs, then find out data layers variables. If you see that our website data layer, firstly need to pick e-commerce, then items, then items ID. So firstly need pick this value, then paste here, then dot, then again need to items, then dot, then need to 0 because this is the object. After object index start from 0, so I already give 0, then need to pick items ID. So paste here, give a variable's name, then click save. I already created documentations for all of these variables, so I will copy from here. So then need to content price. So again click here, then type here content price, then content underscore price, then again click below, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variables. So this is the data layer variables. So again go back to my documentation, then copy this, then paste here, then give a variable's name dlb price, then click save. Then again click add, then I need content name. So again go back to my documentations, then copy this value, then go back to your Google Tag Manager, then here type content underscore name, then click value, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variables, then paste this value, data layer variable value, then give a data layers variable name. This is the item name, then click save. Then again click add row. I need to send currency, so type here currency, then need a value, then again click plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy e-commerce currency, then paste here, then give a variable's name, then click save. Sorry, I already created currency variable, so I need to select this, then click save. Our setup is almost done. I need to click triggerings, then again click plus signs, then again click here, then find out custom events. So I need to create a event triggering. So our view content event name is view item. So copy this view items, then paste here, then give a variables, give a trigger names. So I will type a name view item, then click save. Then our view content event setup almost done, then click save, then give a tag name, then click save. Then our setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it, then click preview button, then again click your website, then click any product. If I click our TikTok pixel helper, you will see that our view content event already fired, and all of event content name, content price, content type, contents and currency already is here. And again click tag assistant, you will see that TikTok pixel base code, TikTok pixel view content already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up add to cart events for TikTok browser side tracking. So if you see that, if I click add to cart and click here, you will see that our view content event and add to cart event data is already same to same. So I will copy our TikTok pixel view content event, then copy this, then remove this part, then give a tag name add to cart. Then I need to sense this event name, so find out add to cart, and everything is perfectly okay, everything is okay. Then I need to change triggering, then again click plus signs, then find out custom events. So again go back to your tag assistant, then click add to cart, then copy this event name, paste here, then give a trigger name, then click save. Our TikTok pixel add to cart event setup done, then click save. Now again click preview button, our setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it. Then go back to your website, then click any product, then click add to cart and go back to your tag assistant. You will see that TikTok pixel view content, TikTok pixel add to cart, TikTok pixel base code tag already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up initiate checkout event for TikTok browser side tracking. So go to your Google Tag Manager, then again copy add to cart, then copy this, then remove this part, then give a name initiate checkout, then need to change event name. So find out initiate checkout, then everything is okay. Then again click here, I need to change content ID, content name. So I need to click edit, then remove this part, then again click here. Before starting this process, I need to create another variables for DLB items. So find out data layers variables, then go back to your Google Tag Manager, add to cart, then again click here. I need to create a variable, so copy this e-commerce, then paste here, then dot, then find out items, and copy this part, then paste here, then give a name, copy this name, then paste here, then click save. Our variable create done, then remove this part. Now I need to set up add to cart content IDs event. So click plus signs, then again click plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript. This is the custom JavaScript. Then go back to my documentations, then copy this part. If you need this documentation, please contact our WhatsApp, then go back to your Google Tag Manager, then paste here, then give a name for this variable CJS items names, then click, sorry, this is the item IDs, so item IDs, then click save. Now click save. Now I need to change content ID, so again click edit, then remove this part, then again click plus sign, then again click plus, then find out custom JavaScript, again go back to my documentation, then copy this code, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Then again click save. I need to change content price, so again click here, then remove this part, then again click plus sign, then again click plus, then find out data layer variables. So firstly need to pick e-commerce, then value. So I will copy from here. So copy this part, then paste here, then give a variable's name TLB value, then click save. Then again click save. Our setup is almost done. Then I need to create a trigger, so I will go to my website, then again click view card, then click proceed to checkout. Then if I see our begin checkout, if you see that if any person click proceed to checkout, our Google Tag Assistant create a event. This event name is begin checkout. So need to copy this, then remove this part, then again click plus signs. I need to create triggering for initiate checkout, then find out custom events, then paste here, then give a event trigger name, then click save. Our trigger create done, then click to save here, then click save. Now I need to click preview button. Our setup is perfectly okay or not okay. I need to check it. Then go back to your website, then click any product, then click again, click add to cart, then again click view cart, then again click proceed to checkout. If you see that our TikTok pixel view content, TikTok pixel add to cart, TikTok pixel initiate checkout, TikTok pixel base code tag already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. If I click view content, then again click variable section, you will see that our CGS item ID is here, CGS product name here, so our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to create a purchase event for TikTok browser side tracking. So I need to our website, then click place order, then go back to Google Tag Manager, then copy initiate checkout event. You know that initiate checkout and purchase event almost same to same. Give a name for this variable, place an order. Then I need to change this event name. Event name is place an order. Then I need to send some event like email hash, hashed phone number. So I need to click plus signs, then find out data layer variable. I need to create some variables for email hash. If I click purchase, then find out data layer. Why I find out email hash or phone number hash. If I want to pick email hash, firstly need to order data, then customers, then billings, then email hash. So I already created a documentations for email hash variables. So copy this value, then go back to Google Tag Manager, then paste here, then give a name for this variable. So copy this part, then click save. Now I need to create another hash for phone number, then again click plus signs, then again click plus, then find out data layer variables, then again go back to my documentation, then copy this part, then paste here, then again back, then copy this, then paste here, then click save. Now scroll down, then again click additional parameters, then need add a row for transaction ID or order ID, then again click value, then click plus signs, then again click plus, then find out data layer variables, then go to your tech assistant, then firstly need to pick e-commerce, so copy this e-commerce, then paste here, then dot, then pick order ID, then paste here, then give a name for this variable DLB transaction ID, then click save, then click add. Now I need to change triggering, then click here, then remove this part, then again click plus signs, then find out custom events. So I need to custom events value, so copy this purchase, then paste here, then give a trigger name, then give a trigger name, then click save. Then again click save. Our TikTok pixel add to cart, TikTok pixel base code, TikTok pixel initiate checkout, TikTok pixel place an order, TikTok pixel add view content tag already set up done. Now I need to click preview button. Then click any product. Then click add to cart. Then again click view cart. Then again click proceed to checkout. Then click place order. Then click tag assistant. You will see that our TikTok pixel view content, TikTok pixel add to cart, TikTok pixel initiate checkout, TikTok pixel place on order already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. If I click TikTok pixel helper, you will see all of event data is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up TikTok pixel server side tagging. So firstly need to set up TikTok Google tag setup for TikTok pixel server side tagging. So click new, then find out Google Analytics, then find out Google tag. I need a tag ID. So where I find out tag ID, go back to your Google Analytics 4, then copy this measurement ID. This is the tag ID. Then go back to your container. I need this tag ID many times, so I will create a constant variables for measurement ID. So find out constant, then paste here, then give a variables name GA4 ID, then click save. Now need to click configure settings. Then I need to send some event. Firstly need server container. So where I find out server container, go to your step server. I use step server URL. So this is the step server URL website. Then click login. I already created step server account. Then find out server. Then click here. Then copy this link. Then paste here. Then need to send page view. This value is true. Then again need to send event ID, event underscore ID. Then click here. I already created a event ID variables. Now I need to create triggerings. So triggering is all pages, and then click save. This value is page view. Google tag server side page view. Then click save. Now I need to set up view item event for TikTok pixel server side tagging. So again click plus sign. Then find out Google Analytics 4. Then Google Analytics GA4 event. Then need a measurement ID. I already created measurement ID. So select this ID. Then give a event name. If you see my documentation, you will see all of these details here. So copy this event ID, event name. So again click event parameter. I need to send some event parameters. Then again go back to my documentation. Firstly need to copy this, then paste here. Then again click plus signs. Then find out event ID. Then go back to my documentation. Need to send value. Then paste here value. I already created data layer variables for value. So this is the variables. So need to currency. So I already created currency data layer variables. So select currency. Then need to items. I already created items event. So again click plus sign. Then find out DLB items. This is the items. Then need to select triggerings. Triggering is view item. Then click save. Then give a name GA4 view items. Then click save. Now I will copy these view items for add to cart. So copy this. Then remove this part. Then click here add to cart. Then I need to change this event name. Event name is add underscore to underscore cart. Then I need to change this triggering. Triggering is add to cart. then click save. Now I need to set up Google Analytics GA4 event for initiate checkout. So I will copy add to cart event. So change this name checkout, then remove this part. Event name is begin checkout. So paste here. I need to send another event. This event is coupon. So I need to create a variables. So copy this coupon variable, then again click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name for this variable, then click save. Now I need to change this triggering, and this is the begin checkout, then click save. Our view item checkout and add to cart event setup already done. I need to set up GA4 event for passers. So copy this checkout event, then remove this part, then change this name, then need to change event name is parses. Now I need to send some extra event like transaction ID, shipping tags, user email address, user phone number. So firstly send transaction ID. This is the transaction ID. I already created variable for transaction ID, so I need to select this. This is the transaction ID, then shipping here, then tax, then go back to my documentation, then you will find out all of details is here. So firstly need to create a variable for shipping, so click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then paste here, then give a name for this variable. This is the shipping, then click save. Another one is tax, then click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out data layer variables, then go back to my documentation, then copy this part, then paste here, then give a variable's name, then click save. Now I need to send some extra details like user email address and phone number. So copy this part, then paste here. Another one is email user data phone number, then paste here. Already created email address hash, so select this. Then I already created phone numbers email hash variable, so select phone number. Now I need to change triggering is parses, so parses, then click save. Our setup is almost done. Now I need to click preview button, then go back to my website, then click any product, then again click add to cart, then again click view cart, then again click proceed to checkout, then click place order. If I click tech assistant, you will see that our TikTok pixel view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, place order, page view items, add to cart, checkout, purchase, every tag is fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. Now I need to set up Google Tag Manager server container. So again click your Google Tag Manager web container, then click here. This is our server container, and click tags, again click new. Then I need to add a tag template for TikTok. So click discover more tag types in community template gallery. Then here search here TikTok. This is the TikTok event API official. Then click here. Then again click add to workspace. Then click add. I need a pixel ID. Where I find a TikTok pixel ID, go to your TikTok pixel event manager. Then copy this pixel ID. Then go back to your tag manager server container. Then paste here. Then need a access token. So go back to your event manager. Then click implement events. Then click generate access token. Then copy this API access token. Then paste here. Now I need to click event name. Then again click source built-in variables. Then select event name. Our setup is almost done. Then again click parameter override. Then need a test event code. Where I find out test event code, go back to a TikTok event manager. Then again click verify API. Then click here. Then click OK. Then got it. Then copy this test event code. Then go back to a server container. Then paste here event ID. Now I need to send hashed email. So where I find out hash email, go back to my documentation. Then copy this part. Then go back to server container. Then click plus sign. Then I need to create some variables. Then again click plus sign. Then find out event data. Then paste here. Then give a name for this variable. Variable name is email address. Then paste here. Then click save. Now I need to send hash phone number. Then again click plus sign. Then find out event data. Then again go back to my documentation. Then copy this part. Then paste here. Then again copy this variable's name. Then click save. Then scroll down. Then need a deduplication configurations. So click plus sign. Then again click plus sign. Then again click here. Then find out event. Then go back to my documentation. Then copy this part. Then paste here. Then give a name. Then click save. Now I need to send page URL, page referral, user agent, IP. So go back again my documentation. Then copy this page location. Then again click plus sign. Then again click plus. Then find out event data. Then paste here. Then give a variable's name. Then click save. Now I need page referral. Then again go back to my documentation. Then copy this. Then again click plus sign. Then find out event data. Then paste here. Then give a variable's name. Everything is recommended for TikTok. Now I need to send IP address. So go back to my documentation. Then copy this IP override. Then click plus sign. Then again click plus sign. Then find out event data. Then paste here. Then give a name for this variable. Then click save. Now I need to send user agent. So again go back to my documentation. Then copy this user agent. Then again click plus sign. Then find out event data. Then paste here. Then give a name for this variable. Our data sent is almost done. I need to create a triggering. So again click triggering. Then again click plus sign. Then find out customs. Then click some events. Then here I need to select event name. Then select mass rejects. Then again go back to my documentation. Then copy this value. Then paste here. Then click save. Again click save. Now I need to set up another event for Google Analytics 4. Then again click plus sign, new, then find out Google Analytics, then select Google Analytics GA4, then need a measurement ID, then go back to Google Analytics 4, then copy this measurement ID, then paste here, then click event name, then I need to select event name. This is the event name, then I need to click triggering. So again click plus sign, then find out custom, then click some event, then here I need to select client name. This is the client name, then select equals, then this value is GA4, then click save. GA4, then click save. Then again click save. Our setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it. Then click to preview button, then again go back to Google Tag Manager web container, then click preview button. If I click any product, then again click add to cart, then again click view cart, then again click proceed to checkout, then click place order. Tag assistant, all of the tag already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. If you see that our TikTok event API official tag already fired, Google Analytics 4 already fired. If I click purchase, then click request, our incoming HTTP request get 200 and outgoing HTTP request 200, so our setup is perfectly okay. If I click Google Analytics 4, you will see that our all of data is here, so our setup is perfectly okay. If I click our go back to our event manager, you will see that our initiate checkout, add to cart, view content, event is here, so our setup is perfectly okay. Then our browser side data is here, so our setup is perfectly okay. Thank you for watching. If you are looking to create more accurate data, optimize your ad, and keep up with privacy changes, TikTok services tagging is essential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Analyst Sultan for more insight on digital analytics and on digital tracking and analytics. Drop your questions in the comment and we will be glad to help. See you in the next video.